Lemon with garlic mixture, perfect for clearing heart blockages. Lemon with garlic mixture. You are probably thinking about using these super healthy ingredients for fish flavoring or to make homemade vinaigrette. Well, we are not going to talk about that. These two ingredients are probably one of the healthiest ingredients on the planet. Lemon and garlic are loaded with many healthy nutrients and they provide many health benefits for the human body. So one way in which this powerful and healthy combo may be helpful is by increasing the health of your arteries. When the LDL or the bad cholesterol levels are too high, it can build up on your artery walls. Well, this will decrease the blood flow and can put you at risk for heart attack or stroke. Well, there are some medications that can help you with this condition, but why don't you use natural solutions instead? They are more beneficial and without any side effects. For example, eating more garlic and lemon can benefit you and help you lower the bad cholesterol. Lemon with garlic mixture, perfect for clearing heart blockages. Method number 1, ingredients: lemon juice 1 cup, ginger juice 1 cup, garlic juice 1 cup, apple vinegar 1 cup. Directions: first, you need to mix all the ingredients mentioned above and boil for half hour or until balance of 3 cups. Then when it's done, you need to let it cool. When it's cooled, you need to mix 3 cups of natural honey. You should transfer this mixture to glass bottle and refrigerate it. How to use it? You should consume 1 tablespoon of this mixture every morning before breakfast. Method number 2, ingredients: 6 lemons, peeled, cut into small pieces, 30 cloves garlic, chopped to small pieces. Directions: put all the ingredients in a food processor or blender, pour the right amount of water and blend. Then you need to pour the mixture into pot and add 2 liters of water. Bring to boil and simmer for another 5 minutes. Then you need to remove it from heat and let it cool. When it's cooled, sieve the liquid and transfer into glass bottle. You should discard the residue. Keep the mixture in your refrigerator. How to use it? Here's how you need to consume this drink. You need to drink 50 ml every day for 3 weeks. Then you should take 1 week break from this remedy. After that, you should drink again 50 ml every day for 3 weeks. Note, you can repeat this cleansing method every 6 months. Method number 3. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to put 3 lemons and 15 cloves of garlic in food processor or Vitamizer. Then you should top it with water and blend. Note, you can add a little sugar if you want for taste. Pour the mixture into a metal pot. Then you need to repeat the same process with the other 3 lemons and 15 cloves of garlic. When you are done with the second mixture, you should add liter of water in the blender and pour this water in the pot as well. Now put the metal pot on the stove and bring it to boil. When it starts boiling, lower it on medium heat and simmer for 5 minutes. When it's done, pour the mixture through a strainer and strain it into another pot. Now when all the liquid has drained into the pot, leave it for some time to cool. When the mixture is cooled, use a strainer and a funnel to pour the mixture in glass bottles. It may take some time for the mixture to drain. Trough the strainer. And you don't need the slurry from the strainer. Get rid of it. You will approximately get about 3 to 4 liters of this remedy. You need to keep the bottles in refrigerator. Remember, don't use plastic bottles. It's because plastic bottles with filled warm or hot liquid in them can cause serious health problems. The plastic particles from the bottle will leach into the liquid. We strongly advise you to use only glass bottles. How to use it? First, you need to drink 1 cup of this remedy every day for 3 weeks. Then you should take 1 week break. After 1 week break, you should drink 1 cup every day for another 3 weeks. Note, this method is extremely powerful, so we highly recommend doing it just once every year or whenever you like, if you think that there's enough time between treatments. You can warm the liquid if you like, or even add some water or ice cubes for a refreshing summer drink. Don't worry about the garlic smell because the lemons will neutralize it. And the best thing about this remedy is that it's very simple and easy to make, and it's not going to cost you too much money. You should definitely try some of these homemade remedies for clearing heart blockages. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, sharing is caring.